Boys and girls, welcome to the Benny Shed channel. What we're doing today is something very special. Everybody says spark plugs are a pain in the ass on a Subaru. Oh, why'd you buy a Subaru for? Spark plugs are so hard to change. I'm totally not going to buy that car because one maintenance task you do every 100,000 Ks is a pain in the ass. Guess what? It's not. What you need to do, I'm going to show you right now to make it the easiest way possible, and you will love changing your spark plugs. So our vehicle in question is the mighty Subaru Forester XT. So let's get on with step one. Step one, open the driver's side door. Step two, locate the latch to open the bonnet. Come around to the front of the vehicle, open the bonnet. Right, here you've got the engine. Now, your spark plugs are located under here. So the next step is to remove the engine. After you've removed the engine, it should have only taken you about 30 seconds or so to remove this motor. If you've owned a Subaru for a little bit, you've probably done it a few times, so you get really quick at it, which is good. Now the next step, grab a new spark plug, check the gap with your gap tool, make sure it's in spec. I like to put a little bit of aluminium anti-seize on the threads, just a little bit. Now the next step is probably by far one of the hardest steps. You get your spark plug tool. Alright, locate your spark plug, place the tool on the spark plug. Yeah, we're going to need a ratchet for this. Alright, so we've ratchet on here. Let's just, we'll just break it free. Here we go. Old spark plug. I've just grabbed the new spark plug. Just going to place it in where the old one came out of. Pretty much remove and replace. Pretty straightforward stuff. Torque it up to spec. And you're done. Reinstall the engine. Turn the key. Sweet. Easiest spark plug change ever.